Hello everybody, nice to have you back. Now you know what your future plans are. It is time to choose the journal. In the next videos, I will discuss the different types of international journals and how to assess their quality. Explanation about book publications and national journals is part of another video in this module. But even if you don't think you will publish in an international journal, this video can be informative for you to assess the quality of papers you are citing in your PhD. By international journals, I simply mean journals publishing in English and targeting a broader audience than a national readership. In this video, I will discuss student-edited American law reviews. In the next video, I will focus on peer-reviewed journals. If now you don't know what are those types of journals, no worries. Everything you need to know to start your search will be explained in these videos. First step is to decide whether you prefer an American student-edited law review or a peer-reviewed journal. Let me explain the advantages and the disadvantages of both. American student-edited law reviews. Many law schools in the US have their own law reviews. In most cases, students are doing the review process and deciding which articles to accept. The advantage of the law reviews is that they are very popular and well cited. Of course, this applies to the higher-ranked law reviews. In addition, through two centralized online submission platforms, Espresso and Scholastica, you can submit with one button to dozens of law reviews. Those platforms charge a small fee for each submission, but Erasmus School of Law usually has a subscription with Espresso, so for you the submission can be for free. Just ask in the Sanders Library about this platform. This means that the acceptance or rejection process is often quite quick. The disadvantage is that it is not peer-reviewed, which means it is not reviewed by experts in the field. In some countries, such publication might not have a high value. Check what is the state in the faculties where you would like to apply. In any case, the top American law reviews like Harvard, Yale, Stanford, Columbia, are considered very prestigious, even if not entirely peer-reviewed. How can you assess the quality of a law review? Washington and Lee School of Law has created a ranking system for law reviews. You can find the link in the text below this video. On this website, you can use different filters and search journal rankings. I personally use the combined score and the impact factor to receive the list of rankings. The impact factor accounts for the number of citations, and the combined score takes into account also the reputation of the university. You can read on the website how those scores are computed. In the following short screencast video, I will show you an example how to create a relevant ranking list. So here is the Washington and Lee ranking of law reviews and journals. And let's assume that initially you're interested in checking the ranking of all American law reviews, also the general. So in subject, you keep all subjects. You're not going for specialized for now. And in country, you search for American journals. You choose for American. And let's assume you would like to see which are the top 50. You choose top 50. And now the combined score and the impact factor, and submit. So here are the names and the ranking of the law reviews. And on the right, you can see the combined score and the impact factor. So those are the scores which are interesting for you. Now let's assume you would like to see specialized journal. Let's see ranking of criminal law and criminal procedure. you search for that, criminal law and procedure. And let's assume for now you're still interested in American law reviews, top 50, combined score impact factor, submit. And you can see here journals that are publishing, let's say, more criminal law topics than generalized journals. So some of them are indeed criminal law, some of them are more general, but also probably publishing more frequently criminal law and procedure. Also here you see the combined score and also the impact factor. As a side note, this ranking includes also peer-reviewed journals. But there are better websites to assess the quality of peer-reviewed journals. Because of the way the scores are computed, it often underestimates the quality of peer-reviewed journals. This is why I will suggest you to use this website only for law reviews. Another source based on which you can assess the quality of the law review where you would like to publish is the US News Law School ranking. You can find the link in the text below this video. The rule of thumb is the following. The higher is the rank of the law school which publishes the law review, the more prestigious is the law review. For example, Stanford University Law Review is more prestigious than University of Minnesota Law Review. Stanford is ranked number 2 in the law school's ranking and Minnesota number 20. Thank you for watching this video about student-edited American law reviews. In the next video, we will focus on peer-reviewed journals and see how to assess their quality.